Hi friends, on behalf of 9th Sem I welcome you all. This is Manish Patnaik, industry expert in 9th Sem. Let's continue discussing the topic connector function types. In the previous session we have discussed 15 connector types. So now let's start with the 16th one. It is instrument and computer power connectors. Basically, this type of connectors are power connectors and are used to connect a computer's power supply to a hard disk or even a floppy disk, compact disk or digital video disk or any other type of disk drive. Next is medical electronic connectors. These are used with medical devices and medical equipment in hospitals, clinics, doctor's office and other healthcare facilities. Next comes micro connectors and nano connectors. These connectors exhibit contact pitches. They have one or more rows of plated contacts and are either straight or right angled. Some may be circular or cylindrical. Others are designed for coaxial cables or radio frequency and microwave application. These connectors are used in a variety of industries and are having variety of applications. The next comes is military connectors. These connectors are shell type connectors that are built in accordance with military specifications. Their designs takes into account to the need to protect the connection from environmental factors, allowing them to be used in military and aerospace applications. Next is modular connectors and RJ connectors. Yes, these two are similar yet distinct style of connectors. Modular connectors are basically made of plug-in units that can be added together to make the system larger and improve the capabilities or expand its size. On the other way, registered jack, which we called as RJ connectors, is a telephonic and data jack application specific connector registered with the FCC, which is Flexi Flat Cable. Next comes panel interface connectors. These connectors are devices installed in the outside of a panel that houses a computer or any other devices. This allows the user to interface with the PLC or the computer without opening the panel door, avoiding potential safety hazards. Next is PC card connectors. These connectors are used to connect PC cards, compact flash cards and other devices to the computers. They are now used as network cards, modems and even hard disks in the industrial PCs. Next is phone jack and plugs. These are connectors used with the telephones. They are also known as modular jacks, female connector, and modular plugs, the male connector. Next is radio frequency and microwave connectors. These connectors are basically used to connect the end of the cables in system that operate in the radio frequency or microwave spectrum. Okay, in simple words, if I want to say you, then microwave refers to the electromagnetic energy with a frequency higher than 1 GHz and a wavelength shorter than 30 cm. And on the other way, radio frequency refers to the alternating current that generates on an electromagnetic field suitable for wireless broadcasting and communication if the current is input to an antenna. An RF connector can be found in transmission systems and allows for the coupling or uncoupling of system components. Next is solar connectors. These connectors are facilitate electrical connectivity in solar energy. Next is solenoid valve connectors. These connectors are used to connect solenoid valves and pressure switches. So next is terminal blocks. They are modular insulated blocks that secure two or more wires together. Terminals are useful for connecting wiring to the ground, or in the case of electrical power, for connecting electrical switches and outlets to the mains. Next is thermocouple connectors. These connectors are used to transmit temperature readings from a thermocouple to the computer. Next is USB connectors. These connectors are used with USB ports. They can be used to connect USB products together or to connect USB wires and peripherals to other standard port types. Next come wire terminals. They are passive conductors used to facilitate a connection that is not soldered. They are two-piece assemblies that consist of a receptor, which is a female part, and a blade, that is a male part, which help to provide repeated connection and disconnection. So the next is wired to board connectors. They are used to interconnect PCBs by using connectors attached to the wires. And the last one is wire-to-wire connectors. They are used to connect two wire-terminated connectors, and the general specification for a wire-to-wire connector include mating, combination or gender. So furthermore, if having any doubt regarding the session, feel free to ask in the comment section. Signing off, have a nice day.